Heard about NordstromShopSale.com and wondering if it's the real deal or not. Let's dig into what we found so you can shop smart, not sorry. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. First things first, NordstromShopSale.com is not the official Nordstrom website. That's important because some shoppers might mistake it for the real deal. While the official Nordstrom.com has a solid reputation with over 9,500 reviews on Trustpilot, averaging 1.9 stars, mostly due to shipping and customer service complaints. NordstromShopSale.com has no Trustpilot presence at all. That's a red flag, especially for a store claiming big sales and brand names. There are also signs of this site might not be trustworthy, which is a new domain, unclear company info, and zero verified customer feedback. For the final verdict, it's best to avoid NordstromShopSale.com. If you want to shop at Nordstrom, go to the official website, not a suspicious lookalike that might not deliver at all. If you've come across this site or even ordered from it, share your experience below and don't forget to check back for more quick reviews that help you stay safe online.